Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So the first thing that you have to do is open a web browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have there various things and several information to know it, but before, let's know what is Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In exchange, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So the first thing that you have to do is just click over get started and you write your personal information like your email address and your password, then you confirm it and you will get started. So then we have here log in. If you want to find your account, if you already did an account or sign up, if you want to sign up, you click over here and you sign up. So you can choose also Google and continue with Apple and use other option like Facebook. So you write your email address and you click over continue. Once you do that, you enter your password. Then you click over continue and you'll find this page. But before, you have to check if you are a member or create. So you have to check this one. So I will click as a creator. This is how it works with Patreon. First, we have this home page. So your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. We have the first step that you have to do is add a profile photo. Then we have describe your page. Let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. You click over here and you write your intro video, for example, video URL. Then you have a bio, add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and what you are on Patreon. Then we have your social, help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page who will never post on your behalf. You have your YouTube connected because I use YouTube. You can also use other options like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, and we have TikTok. You can use all of this because when you have fans in YouTube and you don't have fans in Instagram, when people join this Patreon and find join your link on YouTube and he will just follow also Instagram once he join Patreon because Patreon just make all these things clear. Then you click over save. Then we have here make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Once you click over here, we have to select tab up before. Let's know those steps and I will come back to this one because it's very important and it's very deeply. And this is how Patreon works with that. You have a publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then you have to tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back to this one. I have to select a type. For example, I will select text. We have also video, audio, streamline also, and other things. The first thing here, create text post. You can just add a title. For example, here, selling products. Then you have to tell a story here. For example, how to use how to buy, for example, Kyrie shoes. Then you have just to upload attachment and you click over next. Once you click over it, we have here sell product, how many wolves, 5. Then we have who can access this post, public or paid members, only free members. Then you have here says a release date, show your post or set it to have earlier release date, backdated posts who won't be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. Then you have your allow comments on his post. All members can comment on your public post. You can just switch on or you can just switch off. You have notify members when this post goes live. Members will get notified based on their notification settings. You click over publish and you're done with that. So let's come back here. That's it for the home here. You have also collections. You can just create a collection. You write your collection title and your description. You can also upload the image here and you get started. Then you have your membership. About your paid membership, we have firstly income. You can count on requiring income from your biggest fans. Then we have start with what you have offer, something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then you have you grow your creative businesses, get insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats and more. You can just click over get started. And we have here the first thing, choose what to offer. Then we have what benefits should I offer. For example, we have your bonus content behind the access. So by the way, this is just this step 1 of 2. It's just some information. Then we have access to a community chat, member only voting. Then we have early access and you click over next. We have your tires and pricing. How many tires should I have? What price should I choose also? Then you click over done. You have your customized tire. You write your tire name, for example, your price here. Then we have tire description. Describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you have cover image, you can just add it. Then we have tire benefits here. And we have free trial here. Allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. You have advanced here. Tire settings, ask members for a shipping address in the checkout, limit the number of members here. For example, I'm too famous. I will just click over 1 million because it will join over than 1 million. So I will just select 1 million person and that's it. Then you have your Discord access, manage Discord access, Discord settings. You have configure fade, sales tax on your tire is configurable when you have added 2 or more benefits. So let's come back here. And this is how it works with Patreon. You can just get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.